Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to add up scenes in Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to studio.invideo.io. After navigating, you will be on your dashboard. Select any of the projects you are working on and it will take you to the editor of that project. So if I would want to add up scene on this page, I will have this option that says add scene. Just click on this plus icon that says add scene and you'll be able to select whether you want to add your scene as a blank scene or from template. So I will click on from template. Now when I click on from template, I will see a list of templative videos here. So I will select this scene, left click on it. Now click on the plus icon just below that scene and that will instantly add this scene in my timeline. Now you can see I just added this scene by clicking on the add scene button. You will also see the add scene button here. Click on add scene, choose any one of these options and you'll be able to add a new scene to your timeline or your video. So that's the simple way through which you can add scenes in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.